What's up guys, Sam here. More details have surfaced about Motorola's first phone with a pop-up camera. It will be called Moto One Hyper, and it seems that it will launch with Android 10. The phone's unique feature is the motorized pop-up camera mechanism, which pushes up a 32-megapixel sensor. The phone is more of an upgrade over the One Vision, especially since the screen is an LCD instead of OLED. The changes were largely related to setting up Motorola's peak display and motion gesture implementations. Internally, the supposed Motorola One Hyper bases its power on a Snapdragon 675 processor that comes accompanied by 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. Without forgetting a 3600 mAh battery and the integration of Android 10 without a layer as the basis of the operating system. At the level of cameras, we find a rear of 64 megapixel and aperture f1.8 and a secondary sensor of 8 megapixel and aperture f2.2. A 32 megapixel pop-up camera appears on the front. There's still no word on when the Motorola One Hyper will be released or how much it will cost. Thanks for the watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I will come with new video. Be Sam.